What is Microsoft CoPilot? Well, it's ChatGPT built into Windows, basically. Down here, if you're on a Windows 11, you'll see this CoPilot preview. This used to be Ask Bing or something like that, and I just noticed this the other day. Now it pops up a sidebar where you can ask the AI questions. Here's some suggested questions based on some of the previous little tests that I've been running here where I've asked it to do some things to the actual system. It will do things like turn on dark mode. It'll pop you up the little toggle switch here if you've asked it how to turn on dark mode. It won't do the same thing correctly for things like Windows scaling on the display. It's much faster to just pop open the display settings, for instance, and toggle this to whatever you want. But as time goes on, I'm sure this will greatly improve. And as you can see, it slowly types in responses here. I'm going to stop that right there. It's basically just a Chat GPT sidebar, though. Why aren't you seeing it in Microsoft Excel, you may ask? You might have seen the headlines about this being available in Microsoft 365 apps for personal plans. And yes, it is, but it is not free. So right here, I've not paid anything for this preview. This is just built into the OS now, best I can tell. But if we want to upgrade to CoPilot Pro, well, that's going to cost us $20 a month on our personal plans or family subscription, and it will enable the 365 apps integration. So a little button right up here in the ribbon, for instance, in Microsoft Excel will pop up, and you'll be able to prompt AI inside your spreadsheet for spreadsheet-specific actions. It's available also in Outlook, in PowerPoint, I believe in Word, etc., in the various 365 apps. Let me know if this was helpful for you in the comments. What do you think about this? Please subscribe to the channel for more tech tutorials. Have a great one. Bye.